Hello there, kids. Today you're going to have a quiz. Okay, so basically this is a quiz and a review at the same time. Okay, so I want you to get a piece of paper and number the paper from 1 to 30. Okay, it is very important for you to write your name, please, and of course the subject, which is math. Okay, so write your complete name and the subject. Okay, as we go through the numbers, you can actually just freely pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so again, number your paper from 1 to 30. Graphs. You can answer right away. Okay, so answer right away. You don't need to copy the questions. You don't need to draw the graph. Okay, so the data on the right shows the number of visitors that the zoo had in 1 week. So this is the data, no? Meron tayong number of visitors and the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Which day got the most number of visitors? So that's number 1. Anong ibig sabihin ng most? What do you mean by most? Pinaka marami. Okay, the most. Okay, so ang pinakamarami at most number of visitors. Okay. Number 2, which day got the least? Least is basically the opposite of most. So pinakakaunti. Number 3, how many visitors were there on Monday? So we have Monday over here up to this point. So how many visitors daw? Okay, then again, this is like a review, so don't mind if I'm technically giving you the answer na, pero sige lang. This is just a review naman and a quiz at the same time. This will be graded. Number 4, which days, if combined, will have the same visitors as Monday? So you're only supposed to choose 2 days here. So this is basically to test your basic addition skills lang naman. Which of the days? So you just choose 2. Okay, you're just going to choose 2 days. So for example lang, I'm going to choose Wednesday and Sunday. If I'm going to add Wednesday and Saturday not Sunday, Saturday, will it give me the same number of visitors that there were on Monday, during Monday? Will it be the same if I'm going to add them? Again, you're only supposed to choose 2 days. Okay, so that's what you mean by number 4. If combined, which days, if combined, will have the same visitors as Monday? Okay, number 5, how many more visitors were there on Wednesday than on Thursday? So we are basically comparing Wednesday and Thursday. How many more? So at this point, you can see that Wednesday has more visitors. By how many? Okay, so if you need more time, like what I've said, you can just pause the video as I proceed to the next graph. The data on the right shows the number of some animals found in a zoo. Then again, same lang, itong part na to are the numbers and the type of animals that we have. Not all, but some, as stated. So continuing the number 6, which animal has the most number? Then again, most. Number 7, which animal has the least number? So meron tayong birds, butterflies, lions, and monkeys. Number 8, how many monkeys are there? So ang monkeys, ilan daw ang monkeys? Number 9, how many birds are there? Ilan daw ang birds? Okay, so how many more butterflies are there than birds? Then again, we are comparing because we have this more here. Butterfly and birds. So at this point, if you can notice that there are more butterflies, but by how many? Okay, number 11, how many lions do we need to have the same number of monkeys? Anong ibig sabihin yan? How many lions do you need to add until it will somehow reach the same number of monkeys? So I hope this is giving you a better representation of the quiz or what you're supposed to do. Okay? Continuing the next few numbers, through fractions na tayo. Number 12 and 13. So if you notice that this is a fraction, and each part of a fraction, there's actually a name. I did mention it sa mga videos natin. In the given fraction, 1 is called a what? Anong tawag dyan sa number 1? Ito. That's for number 12. And for number 13, 2 is called the what? Okay? So that's for number 13. May mga pangalan kasi yan sila, di ba? Basic parts of a fraction yan. Number 14 naman, express the given figure in a fraction form. What do you mean by that? Anong ibig sabihin ko doon? So for example lang, we have a rectangle and we have 3 parts. So the fraction should be written this way. I will not mention what it is called kasi it will give you the answer to number 12 and 13. So we have 1, 2, 3 parts. So that represents this part over here. And if we have one shaded part lang, so that's what represents the one on top of the fraction. So this is the representation. This figure represents this fraction over here. So now you're going to answer this. Ano ang equivalent fraction niyan? All you need to do is just to give the fraction of this drawing na nandyan ngayon sa harap nyo. So the same lang din yan for the next few numbers. So for example, next number nyo is 15. So ganoon lang din. The same thing as what we did with number 14. Number 16. Pause lang ang video ha if you need more time. 17. 18. You may tell me, Teacher Mark, there's nothing there. Yes, I know. Which can still be expressed as a fraction. Then, sa next number natin, mga next numbers natin are basically adding and subtracting fractions. So, similar and dissimilar fractions. You already know this. If you have forgotten about this, there's a video. Hanapin nyo lang doon sa playlist that I sent you. The title says adding and subtracting similar and dissimilar fractions. Okay? So, that's it for today. Another set of quiz on Thursday.